Hi, I'm Jackie and I'm the fur mom of Mocha and Charcoal and 5 more dogs at home. I used to have 11. My eldest is JM. So, siguro yun yung favorite because it's the first. But he is now gone. So, siguro mga 3 years ago na. Nung kinuha namin si JM, sabi ko nga, I think we did not pick him, he picked us. Out of the 5, talagang siya yung, parang I wanted you. Plus, lahat ng biyahe ko dati, because I'm with sales, si JM kasama ko, Romota yan. Sobrang bait niya. As in, hindi niya kami pinahirapan, hindi siya nagpasaway during the time na hindi na siya nakakalakad. Normally, magpapalagay lang siya, kasi December yun eh, Christmas. Magpapalagay lang siya sa ilalim ng Christmas tree kasi gustong-gusto niya ng Christmas lights. So, nandun lang siya. Titingnan niya lang talaga yung Christmas lights. Happy na siya dun. So, the entire 2 weeks, simula nung na-diagnose siya, sobra. Pag sinabi kong, JM, you need to eat. As in, parang, go ahead, mommy. Kasi force feed na siya eh. Pag dumating ako from office, JM! Gaganon ako. So siya talagang makikita mo, nagwawag yung tail. Kahit parang hirap na siya, he will really try. Lilingunin niya ako. Ayoko umiyak. Pero probably that's the hardest part of my fur mom journey. Unconditional, yun lang talaga. Wala silang hinihinging kahit ano. So, sobrang pure nung love. No word can explain probably the kind of love and yung sincerity nung love. So, to the fur moms out there, happy Mother's Day. And I hope, I know hindi ganon kadali din maging fur mom, but let's celebrate. Because it's really something that we need to celebrate. So, happy Mother's Day to all the fur moms.